If you're late today or you didn't hear the alarm and you forget to charge your phone, don't worry, cause in 15 minutes you'll be ready to go. Yeah, I cannot count how many times I forget to charge my phone, but with the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G you will not have that problem anymore. The 67 watts turbocharging technology is here to charge the 5000 mAh massive battery. You will have your phone ready, and trust me, this technology can solve tons of problems. And when I say fast, I really mean it. And luckily, the charger is included, so you'll find it inside the box. And of course, is the correct amount of power. And talking about power, we have to mention the Snapdragon 695, that will give you the highest performance in your favorite games, and with a great image quality, colors and contrast. We have here a 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a high refresh rate. By the way, we have two speakers each side. The structure of the device feels very ergonomic and comfortable to use in hands anytime, anywhere. And trust me guys, I'm a real fan of this display. It has everything I want. It feels smoother and faster. Having an eye-carrying technology and a reading mode 3.0 is important to me, or at least for my eyes. In case you love taking pictures, you'll get in the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G 3 different lenses in the backside, with dual native ISO to make your pictures sharp and with more quality, and also a Pixel 9-in-1 binding technology. If you're wondering right now which lens do we have here, let me introduce you a micro lens, one ultra-wide lens and the 108 megapixels main sensor. This means that you will have versatility in any scene in front of you. And in the main sensor, we don't just have a great resolution, we also have a great sensor size to use it during the day or during the night. In other words, this means that you can take great pictures in any light conditions. Also, this device can be a great choice for work purposes since you have different storage and RAM to choose from in order to fit with your needs. MIUI 13 has improved performance that can help you to manage different tasks such as sending emails or multitasking. Also, this device has different sensors such as proximity, ambient light, electronic compass, air blaster, gyroscope, and also an advanced navigation and positioning GPS system that works very fluently. In the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, you'll find a 16 megapixels front camera, also a side fingerprint sensor, AI face unlock, high resolution audio certification, and last but not least, a 3.5 headphone jack. And remember that you can expand the storage up to 1 terabyte. If you liked this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel, you help me a lot if you do that, and let me know in the comments what you think about this POV kind of video. That's it for now, I'll see you in the next video. My name is Leo, this is Tecnología para mí, chao chao.